Ready?
We're ready. Let's see.
1, 2, 3. Got it. We got it.
It
came out.
It finally,
Let me see it.
There it is.
There's her tooth. You need a little bit of a paper towel. You got a big hole in your mouth.
High five, dude. Good. Oh, here. Let's get a paper towel.
Oh, jeez.
It's how many, Dad?
High five, you did it.
6. Let's go find the new tooth girl.
There you go. Just a little bit of blood there.
How do you feel, Cal?
Really good.
It didn't hurt too bad. A little bit.
Too bad.
Okay, show me the hole one more time. Wow, you officially have no tooth.
Okay.
Finally.